What's good everyone, my name is bboy Intact and I continue my series of breaking tutorials for the very beginners. Today we're gonna learn two very important basic go downs, the back sweep and the front sweep. These go downs are essential. They will help you to change levels from top rock to any other breaking level or to be a transition between your short combinations and structures. Let me demonstrate you very quick both of the go downs, the back sweep and the front sweep. I'm not gonna waste your time and I go directly to the explanation of the back sweep go down. So the first what you need to do is to make a step back from the leg that you're standing on to the side. Okay, that's the position that you're gonna start with. The next, put your left hand on the floor. To make it happen, bend over a little bit the right knee and the left knee. So it's gonna be easier for you. The next what you will have to do is to put the body weight on the hand and to start to move the left leg on the circle, keeping it straight till it reaching this position. And once you reach this position, try to step over this leg and to continue the circle. So you finishing with the zero position. That's number one. Number two, the same. Step back, your hand on the floor, you're coming to that position, and the next what I want you to do is to make a small jump just to feel how it works. The jump is happening from the right leg, you're pushing from the floor and your body weight going on the left hand. Okay, once you're able to do this, try to jump and to move the leg under the right leg and finish in the zero position. And number three, once you're already feeling comfortable in the circle movement and in the jump, try to connect it together without the stop. Moving on the circle, jump, zero position. There is one very important detail in the back sweep. In the moment when you're landing after the jump, pay attention that you're actually landing in a good, stable position on your toe and your heel is under the hip. One more time, the zero position is the essential. That's number one position in breaking in the footwork level. So from the go down, you need to come back to that zero position. Not here, not on the flat foot, yeah? Not like that, not touching with your hips the floor, but exactly on that stable high position so you can control yourself and coming back to the zero position. I will show you to other side as well. You see, I'm landing on the toe and the heel is under the hip. We move on directly to the front sweep go down. Before we're gonna start the whole go down from the top to the footwork level, I want to ask you to sit down in zero position and to try a couple exercises to make it easier for you. So the first one, you're sitting in the zero position, you put your body weight more to the left side to release the right leg. Then you put the left hand on the floor, you straighten the right leg forward and continue to move it on the circle to this point. Changing your hand in the moment when your leg reaching this point and putting the second hand on the floor. The next what you want to do is to put the body weight on your hands and on the straight leg and just step over the straight leg with the left leg, putting it on the toe, and to continue the circle, putting the body weight on the left leg and finishing the circle. Other side is the same. Body weight is to the right leg and right hand. Straighten your leg to the side. On the circle, reaching this position, changing hands. Step over, make sure that the toe is not somewhere there. Put it exactly on the line with the hand. You see? Here's the line, here's my hand, here's my toe. So my body weight is still on my hands and on my toe as well. continue on the circle, putting my body weight on this leg and finishing to the position I start from. One important moment, when you're doing the whole circle with your straight leg, keep it all the time straight. Avoid positions when you bend over your leg. It has to be straight during the whole circle. I'm gonna show you from this angle so you can see. Straight leg on the circle, both hands on the floor, step over, body weight is on the toe, straight. All my body weight is here right now, straight. One more time. Here, step over, straight, straight. Step over, straight, straight. Okay, the next what you have to add to this cyclical movement is a small jump. Nothing changed. You do the same movement as we did before, but instead of just step over here, you're gonna try to make a jump. And the jump is happening because you put your body weight on your both hands. Try to do the move like that. Put your body weight here and to push yourself from the floor with the leg you're sitting on and just to feel it. Okay, once you feel that small move, try to move your straight leg back at the moment of the jump. You see what's happening? One more time, I'm gonna show from this side. On the circle, reaching this position, body weight both on the both of my hands, jump and letting my straight leg keep moving on the circle. Body weight is here, finishing the circle. One more time, reaching this position, jump on the circle. Once you're able to do that sweep continuously to one side and to another, you're gonna be ready to start with the go down from the top rock to your footwork position. Let me show you how to do it continuously to one side and to another in the footwork position. Other side. All right, now we're ready to do the front sweep, go down from your top rock to the footwork level. We're gonna start from the step back and then from that position, a small jump forward that is going from the knee. Step forward, put your body weight on the leg that is in front, sitting to this position. And now the leg that was behind is ready to make a sweep on the circle and to make a jump and to continue. Take a look. The leg behind starts to move, the left hand is going on the floor, changing hands, both hands on the floor, body weight is on my hand, jump, one more time, a little bit faster, step back, jump forward, body weight on the leg that is in front, putting my hand on the floor, on the circle, jump. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this lesson. I know it was useful. Pay attention on all details, pay attention on directions, on shapes, on angles, and make sure you're making these moves sharp and clean. And then try to connect them with those moves that you already know, with some very basic footworks, both sides, and understand how the movement in general is working. See you in next tutorials.